This is the Food Providers Network meeting. We meet every other month. The Food Providers Network was established in 2010 as an attempt to gather together all of the different food providers in the county. There are many, and we're very fortunate to have so many food providers to help people that are in need. They range from very small pantries and faith communities to large facilities such as Food for Others. We didn't necessarily know about all of the efforts that were going on around the county, and so we decided to get together, and it was an effort by the Office of Public-Private Partnerships that brought us together under the Food Providers Network banner.
It's very interesting. Each organization works very differently from each other, so the more we get to know about each other, the better. We're also very interested in helping our clients become more self-sufficient. So if we know what each other does, that really helps.
They know you got to deal with this. So what Simpson Bowl says.
This morning we were joined by Congressman Frank Wolf, who is a very close friend of the food providers and food banks in his district. He's passionate about the whole issue of hunger, is dedicated to making sure that none of our neighbors go to bed hungry. He came today to talk about what was going on in the federal government regarding food stamps and his efforts to help us to alleviate the need. We invite anybody who has a food providing facility, a food pantry. Some are as small as a closet, or some are a room. We have a 10,000 square foot warehouse in Merrifield, and everybody is welcome to participate with the Food Providers Network.